Alright, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to use easysalespress's navbar section. And when it comes to navbar, it has a lot of different flexibilities, and I'm going to be going over them right now. First of all, you need to go to your dashboard and you go to Appearance, and when you go to Appearance, click on Menus. And when you click on Menus, and I'm already there, obviously you can come here and you can obviously create a new menu. And you can click on Create a New Menu, and I've already created one. Just call it Top Nav. That's all I've done. And what you can do, you can move obviously pages, and you can actually add links and categories to your menu structure. Now I've added a couple of links actually, and these are the links here: the login page and my help desk. And I've added them to the menu structure, and I've saved the menu. Click on Save Menu over here, and that's all that I have is two links in my menu structure. Down below you can select where you want them to go, and obviously in the top menu, the footer menu, or automatically add new top level pages. I'll at least leave this on, and for right now I can select both of those on, and we'll just save the menu. So we created our menu structure. And if you want to have a separate, footer and top menu links, just unselect this and save it, and then create a new menu and call it Footer Nav. And then after you've created the Footer Nav, put what pages you want or links you want in the Footer Nav, and only have the footer menu selected. All right. So that's what we're doing right now. So I'm just gonna, for our purposes, I'm just gonna save both of those. Now when you go to create a page, you go to create a new page, and I have one right here, and I just wanted to show you the different features that I've added. Right now the only thing that you see on here is this. Obviously it's a pinned header image, and here's a content area, but I'm just going to show you some quick illustrations of the different functions of the navbar and where you can put it. First of all, you need to go to Content Styles. And when you go to Content Styles, you'll see it says Top Display Menu, and you can have the background color, you can have the font color, and so forth. I've already done this before I created this video, as well as the footer menu. So I'm just going to put this one on, okay? And I'm going to put it on, and now I'm going to update the page, and I'm going to preview the page, and this is what it shows you. So that now it's the pinned header image, but it has a nav bar right here below that. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to unpin the header image. So just come back over here and stay with me now. I'm going to unpin the header image, which is right here. I'm going to unpin it. Now I'm going to obviously update it, and just let me refresh the page. And so that's what we have. That's pretty cool, okay? And obviously, your content would go below that. Okay, so that's just one scenario that you can do. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go back to the editor here. I'm going to come back down, and I'm going to show you some other cool stuff that you can do here. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to Page Content, and this time I'm going to pin the header. And what I'm going to do, instead of the center no top bar, I'm going to put it to the left on the right side. And I'm going to come back here, and I'm going to deselect the top menu, but I'm going to come back here. The pinner is head, and you'll see where it says right here, top widget area. See that? Watch this. This is a cool effect. I'm going to save the page, and I'm going to come back here, and we're going to now refresh the page. You see that? Isn't that cool? So what you got now, you got the pin header, goes all the way across the screen, but you'll see on the right hand side, it's got the contact and the login. Now this is very similar to my member player. So let me just bring up my member player browser. There's the page here. You'll see here on the top here, it has a nice logo on the left. On the right hand side is the login and contact. That's where this is right here. So it's a really cool effect. So that's what that'll do. But if I come back below here, I go to page content, I can switch it, and I can put it on the other side, on the right side. There you go. Let me just refresh, and there it is. See, now the links are on the left and the logo is on the right. And it's just like that. Isn't that cool? So those are some of the things that you can do. But just let me go back to the previous section. I'm just going to reverse what I did. Go to Page Content. I'm going to unpin it. and I'm going to move this to the outside of the header, and I'm going to turn off the top widget area off, and I'm going to go to the content styles and turn on a top menu. This kind of puts it as a nav bar, and I'm going to show you once again. I just reversed what I did. Give me the nav bar. See that?